There are things happening on this planet and even beyond it that science still can't fully explain. From rocks that mysteriously walk across deserts to lights in the sky that appear and vanish in a heartbeat. Today, we're diving into some of the strangest natural phenomena ever observed. But don't expect answers because what you're about to see are mysteries that remain unsolved. The sky's electric ghosts. High above thunderstorms, flashes of red, blue, and violet explode for just a split second. They're called sprites, blue jets, and elves. It's a massive electrical discharge reaching into the edge of space. They've been captured on camera, yet even now, scientists debate their exact causes. Are they rare accidents of atmospheric chemistry? Or signs of processes we barely understand? And these sky ghosts lead us to something even stranger back on Earth. The sailing stones. In California's Death Valley, heavy stones move across desert floors, leaving trails as if pushed by invisible hands. Some weighing hundreds of pounds. For decades, no one knew how. Wind and ice may explain part of it, but the movements don't always fit the models. It's as if the desert itself is alive, shifting objects without a clear reason. But if stones can walk, what about forests that glow? Bioluminescent forests. Imagine standing in a dark forest and suddenly the ground, the trees, even the air, glow in shades of neon blue and green. From glowing fungi to entire coastlines lit by bioluminescent plankton, these displays are breathtaking. But here's the catch. The timing, intensity, and sudden bursts of light don't always match what biology predicts. Some regions glow unpredictably, as if following rhythms science has yet to chart. And if light can bend biology, sound can bend physics. Singing sands. In deserts from Chile to China, sand dunes sing. Low booming notes echo for minutes when the wind blows or when people slide down the slopes. It's eerie, like the earth itself is humming. Scientists discovered that grain size and humidity play a role, but here's the mystery. The sound can be replicated in some dunes and not at all in others. It's a haunting reminder that the ground beneath us still hides secrets. And speaking of secrets, what about messages from the cosmos? If you've made it this far, you clearly enjoy mysteries that science can't fully solve. That's exactly why I created Hidden Truths. It's an ebook filled with real phenomena, dark mysteries, and bizarre stories that will challenge everything you thought you knew. The link is in the description if you want to explore deeper. Now, let's head to space. Strange radio burst from space. Astronomers detect sudden blasts of radio energy from deep space, lasting only milliseconds. They're called fast radio bursts, or FRBs, and some release more energy in one blink than our sun does in days. Are they collapsing stars, magnetars, or, as some whisper, artificial signals from elsewhere? The truth is we don't know, and that mystery echoes back down to Earth itself. Earth's ghostly ground lights. In remote valleys and forests, people report glowing orbs drifting silently through the night. Not headlights, not fire. Lights that float, pause, and vanish without explanation. Some scientists argue they're reflections of natural gases. Others suspect underground electrical currents, but none of the studies are conclusive. And that leaves us with one undeniable fact. Nature still hides forces we can barely glimpse. For every phenomenon we study, like sprites in the sky, stones that walk, sands that sing, always another mystery rises to take its place. So the real question is, how many of nature's secrets are still waiting for us to stumble upon them? If you want to keep exploring mysteries like these, make sure to subscribe to CurioSphere for even deeper dives. And now I want to hear from you. Which of these phenomena fascinated you the most? Drop it in the comments.